Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to work on starting our informative paragraph. This informative paragraph is going to teach our readers about one of the organs in the digestive system. To remind you, here's our informative paragraph process chart from our classroom. We've used this almost every time we've done a writing project in our classroom. The most recent thing we've added to our informative paragraph is an introduction sentence. I didn't get the chance to add that to my process chart, but you know that will come right before the topic sentence. Your introduction sentence will introduce the entire topic to your reader. Then, a very important sentence is the topic sentence. That tells your central message or your main idea that's going to be in your writing. After that, good readers are always able to find important evidence from the text to support their main idea that they introduce in their topic sentence. Lastly, we'll conclude our paragraph or finish our paragraph with a conclusion sentence. The conclusion sentence is usually aligned with the topic sentence. It reminds your readers and summarizes your readers what you were writing all about. Today we're going to try and write our introduction sentence and our topic sentence together. The question we're working on this week is, what important jobs does this organ do as part of your digestive system? Let me read it again. What important job does this organ do in the digestive system? That's the important question we're going to write about and try to answer. You get to choose if you want to write about the stomach or the small intestine. For our writing together, we're going to write about the small intestine. Everybody say small intestine. Good job. Okay, here's my organizer that we will use together. Remember, everything that we're writing today has to relate to this question. What important jobs does this organ do as part of the digestive system? Now, we chose to write about the small intestine, so we're going to make sure we're talking about the important job the small intestine does in the digestive system. Okay, here are the two sentences we will try our best to answer and fill in today. Good writers have an introduction sentence so that they know for their readers what the whole writing is all about. So, we know we are probably going to need to include the word digestive system in our introduction sentence. That's super important to what we're talking about right now. And we know we need to use the word small intestine. The other thing that would be important for us to talk about is the important jobs, because we know that we need to introduce to our readers what they're going to learn about. Your introduction sentence doesn't need to be as specific as your topic sentence. Introduction. Miss Stenger's going to give it a try. Something about having important organs for the digestive system. Maybe we want to teach our readers that there's many important organs. And then in our topic sentence, we can introduce that we're talking about just the small intestine. So I'm going to type out my introduction sentence idea. How about we say, there are many important organs in the digestive system. Like a good writer, I made sure I started my sentence with a capital T and ended my sentence in a period because I'm not asking a question. Right now, I want you on your piece of paper to write your introduction sentence. You don't have to write the word introduction. You can just start your paragraph with this sentence. There are many important organs in the digestive system. If you need to pause the video to write it, go ahead. Make sure you have this sentence with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 words. You want to make sure you have a capital D and S for the digestive system. Next, our topic sentence needs to make sure that it teaches your reader what organ specifically you're talking about. We decided to write about the small intestine. So, my sentence is going to have to start with the small intestine. Okay, I'm going to look back at the question to make sure I'm really aligning my topic sentence with my question. What important jobs does this organ do as part of the digestive system? Okay, so I use the word digestive system in my introduction sentence. There are many important organs in the digestive system. Now, we're going to talk about the important job that the small intestine does. There's lots of important jobs that the small intestine does, so let's make sure we share that with our reader also. The small intestine does a lot of important jobs. Okay, I'm going to reread my sentences to make sure there isn't any word that I can change. Maybe see if there's an adjective or adverb I can add. Let's go back to our introduction. There are many important organs in the digestive system. The small intestine does a lot of important jobs. I love my paragraph so far. My introduction and my topic sentence really sets up my readers so that when I can write my evidence 1 and evidence 2 from my text, they'll be ready. Also, to remind you, we're going to be ending with a conclusion sentence. If you did not get the chance to finish writing your introduction sentence and your topic sentence, this is when you can pause the video to get it writing just like me. Once you've completed writing your introduction sentence and your topic sentence, you can stop for today. Tomorrow we'll work on the evidence. Make sure you're writing nice and neat letters. If you need to go back and reread your sentence so that your letters are not smushed together and they're not too big and not too small, make sure your writing is just nice and neat so your readers enjoy your writing. You can go back and pause this video if you need to at all and replay it to help you finish up your writing. Just to remind you, in my next video, we'll be writing the evidence 1 and evidence 2 videos in your conclusion sentence. We are going to use some of the more important class research that we did together about the small intestine to help me write my evidence 1 and evidence 2 sentences. I can't wait to keep writing with you. Great job today.